Morning report in Macomb Township. We're in the corn. We're getting ready to.
The Bay House Duck Club on a guest hunt.
We're on a guest hunt with Dave and Mike Minnie.
We're in the corn maze.
And yeah, we're. Are you
on
lost?
Halloween.
Are you lost? This is Halloween.
Halloween
Morning, and we're waiting for some geese. We got a lot of geese decoys. They got the clown ducks working, and we'll take some pictures of those later. You'll see our clown ducks, and
raining, blowing.
We got a pretty good wind. It looks promising, and now it's all up to the ducks and the geese. Mostly geese today. So let's see them come in. We'll whack at them if they get close enough.
Who's our sponsor today? Tim Horton Donuts is our sponsor.
Tim Horton Donuts?
Yeah. McDonald's Coffee.
McDonald's Coffee. Who else? We got the 3.5-inch BB. I might have shot that second one. I'm using your shell. The 3.5 inch. Take. Yep. I might have shot that. I'll actually take the banded one, but I'll lay them down. I got all my neighbors coming over. They're always telling me, kill all the geese you can, because they hate them on the lake, you know. And I'll say, well, I got my two. Where's yours? It fell off.
Six of the old camel, and they went to the digital stuff. Well, that was great.